late night, phone in your hand, everyone's asleep, and you already know what happens next. You've been here before. Last night, the night before that, same pattern. And every time, you tell yourself the same thing. Last time. But it never really is. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. This is not a discipline problem. This is a brain loop problem. And once you understand it, you stop blaming yourself. The loop. It always starts the same way. You're bored, or stressed, or just alone. And your brain quietly says, I know something that will fix this. So you give in. For a few seconds, it feels like escape. Then it disappears. And what's left is that empty feeling you try not to think about. You don't fix the problem. You just reset the cycle. Bored again. Stressed again. Alone again. Same trigger. Same response. Same outcome. Over and over. What's actually happening? Your brain runs on dopamine. Not pleasure. Motivation. It's what makes you want things. But when your brain gets overstimulated again and again, it adapts. It lowers your natural baseline. So normal life starts feeling boring. Studying feels heavy. Goals feel distant. Focus becomes harder. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain got trained to expect something stronger than reality. What P times RN actually does. P times RN gives your brain a dopamine spike far beyond natural reward. Way higher than real connection. Way higher than normal life experiences. Your brain wasn't built for that level of stimulation. So it adjusts. Less sensitivity. Less motivation. Less drive. And slowly, what used to excite you stops working. And what gave you escape starts taking your clarity. The real reason. This loop hits hardest when you're alone. Not just physically, mentally. When your day feels empty. When you don't talk about what you feel. When everything stays inside your head. Your brain doesn't chase pleasure. It chases relief. And it picks the fastest option. No effort. No rejection. No discomfort. Just instant escape. But every shortcut makes real life feel a little more distant. Why willpower fails. You try to stop using willpower. It works for a few days. Then one night, boredom, stress, silence, and the loop takes over again. Because this is not a conscious habit. It's automatic wiring. Cue, craving, response, reward. It runs faster than your decisions. So you're not losing because you're weak. You're losing because you're trying to fight automation with effort. How it actually changes. You don't break the loop by fighting harder. You break it by interrupting it. Same trigger, same urge. Different response. Move your body. Walk. Push-ups. Cold water. Anything that breaks the pattern. Because motion breaks emotion. And environment controls behavior more than motivation ever will. Small shift rule. Don't aim for perfect control. Aim for small wins. One better choice than yesterday. One moment of awareness. One time you don't follow the loop. That's how identity changes. Not instantly, but repeatedly. Final reality. You are not broken. You are just inside a loop you never understood. And now you do. That alone changes everything. Because awareness is the first exit. Let me tell you something personal. Breaking a loop like this isn't just about motivation. It needs something bigger. A real goal. Something that holds you accountable. I set one for myself. I told my parents that I will reach 5K subscribers in 1 month on this channel. And if I don't, I will accept whatever they decide for me. So now I'm locked in. Every day I'm working. Late nights, editing, improving, trying to make every video better than the last one. And if you really want to be part of this journey, subscribe and stay with me. Not because I'm asking, but because we're building something here. And honestly, if after 1 month you feel this content didn't help you unsubscribe, no hard feelings. But until then, let's see how far we can go.